Hey guys, so welcome to today's video. So today I would like to share with you one secret which is going to give you the ability to sell almost anything to anybody in the world. Okay, even if the thing that you're selling is like overpriced in the view of customers, still they'll be like, bro, I want this product right now. Okay, so the way to do this secret is I will first tell you something. Okay, so here's the thing, like just imagine like how much do you think a bubble gum usually cost? Like maybe it is $1 or less than that or something like that, right? Okay, now imagine the product you are promoting is a $50 bubble gum. Like people have to spend $50 to get this bubble gum. So now imagine you going to the streets and asking somebody like, bro, I have this bubble gum, it's awesome, do you want it? It costs only $50. So you say it costs only $50. So what do you think people are going to say to you? Like most likely no, right? Because like they can go to any shop in the world and there will be like $1 bubble gum or something like that, right? But now imagine, like here comes that secret. What if instead of talking about the product, you make an offer they can't resist, irresistible offer? What if you say to the people, okay bro, here is a $50 bubble gum, if you want you can buy it for $50, but if you buy it right now, then I will give you a Ferrari worth $350,000. Okay, I will give you a Ferrari worth $350,000. So in this case their mind is still going to say to them like, bro, this bubblegum only costs $1, why should I buy it for $50? Or I can go to any other shop just next door and I can get $1 bubblegum. But then they will say like, yes, even though I have to spend $50 to get this bubblegum, for $50 I can get a Ferrari, $350,000 Ferrari for free. So like just ask yourself like don't you think like almost everybody, as long as you can give a Ferrari, almost everybody is going to say like, yes bro, I want this bubblegum. Yeah. So bonuses are a huge secret. Now I also sell some things here and there, right? So I also would like to give like a bubblegum, sorry, a Ferrari to anybody who buys from me. But the next best thing that what we can do is we can give them useful, high value and relevant products as bonuses. So what I mean is, you have to do two conditions for the bonus to make you maximum sales and profits. Number one, the bonus have to be, it shouldn't be just one bonus, it should be a bundle of bonus. So this bundle of bonus should be worth at least 10 times the price of what people have to spend to get your main. So if you're buying like a, sorry, if the customers are buying like $100 course from you, then like if you can create a bundle of bonuses with 5 products and each of these 5 products cost $200. So 5 products into $200 is equal to $1,000. So you can say to them like, bro, if you want you can get this course for $100 from me, but if you do right now, then I will also give you these 5 other courses for worth $1,000 for free. So in their head they'll be like, yes, I had to spend $100, but I'm also getting $1,000 worth these courses. So this tip is going to like, how to say, like easily boost your sales and profits. Now the number two condition for the bonus to work well is like the bonus have to be relevant to what you're selling. So like